Monopoly Secret Vault, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Paper money has been replaced with money chips. Each player starts the game with 3,000 money divided as so. Community chest has been removed. During setup, place the vault in the center of the board and close the lid and press the reset button 3 times. Put 1 key, 1 hotel, and 4 100 money into it through the hole. On your turn, if you roll the vault icon, then, unless you are in jail, you get to immediately make an attempt to open the vault. If you land on a guess for free space, pay to guess, free parking, or you draw a chance card that tells you, after following the rules on the card or space, you can make 1 attempt to open the vault. To make an attempt, rotate the top yellow part of the vault clockwise to any number, then press the red button. If the vault opens, then you get to take everything that's inside and the banker refills the vault with 1 key, 1 hotel, and 400 money from the bank. Then they close the lid and press the reset button 3 times. If you guess the vault number incorrectly, then nothing happens. There are 4 locked properties on the board. When you land on them, you may not purchase them. When you collect a key from the vault, immediately place it on a locked property and take that property title for free. That property is now unlocked and treated like a normal property. When you pass go, collect 400 money from the bank, then place 100 money from the bank into the vault. Income tax and luxury tax payments go to the vault. The cost to get out of jail is 100 money and it is paid to the vault. There are no houses, only hotels. Hotels may not be purchased from the bank, only earned from the vault or traded with another player. Keep collected hotels in front of you. You may place hotels on a complete color set you own. You do not need to place hotels evenly. You may not place more than 2 hotels on a property, and you may not sell hotels back to the bank. You may remove a hotel on a property during your turn and place it in front of you. You may not trade properties with hotels on them. You must first remove the hotel. The game ends once all the properties are owned, including the locked properties. Then, all players collect rent for each property they own at their current rent levels. Do not collect any money for unused hotels. Everyone adds up their cash, and the player with the most money wins.